Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to move contacts between campaigns in Systeme.io quickly and easily. First, log into your Systeme.io account. From the dashboard, click Automation and then Rules. Now click Create to add a new automation rule. Choose a trigger that will start the automation. For example, you can trigger the rule when a contact finishes an email campaign, clicks a specific link, purchases a product, or receives a tag. Next, choose the action called Unsubscribe. From Campaign, select the campaign you want the contact to leave. Now click Add another action. Choose Subscribe to Campaign. Select the new email campaign where you want the contact to continue. Review your automation rule to make sure both actions are in the correct order. Click Save. Finally, test the automation using a test contact to confirm the subscriber is removed from the first campaign and added to the new one automatically. That's it. You've successfully moved contacts between campaigns in Systeme.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick Systeme.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.